Here's one of the finest trucks you'll ever see, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2024 Toyota Tacoma double cab, four-wheel drive, TRD off-road. Y'all, this thing is absolutely gorgeous, loaded with all the good stuff, and it's just like new. Around back, factory tow package, backup camera, easy down, easy up tailgate, composite bed tub, and LED cargo lights. TRD off-road decals on the bedside, 17-inch matte black alloy wheels with a great set of BF Goodrich trail terrain tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have a 12-volt charging port in the back of the center console. It's ice capped with black interior with white accents. Contrasting black door handles, part of your TRD package. Color keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. Forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. Contrasting black, really sharp fender flares. It comes with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, embroidered floor mats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Blind spot warning located in your outside rearview mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Adjustable headlight settings, auto dimming high beam headlights, traction control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and intelligent radar cruise. Push button start. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, connected navigation, and backup camera. Automatic climate control, high-speed USB charging ports, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, four-wheel drive controls, locking differential, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD off-road, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.